Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here. Gonna shoot a video as I do a drive back to school. Some of you have wondered where in the world I teach or kind of what it looks like. We're gonna try to keep this going so that you can see it. I am in rural northern Idaho, and yeah, I was in the middle of a project visit and we had a bit of a snow squall that came through. So I had to cut that visit short before I got snowed in. I just came up off of a gravel road. So I was visiting one of my students with a swine breeding project, and came up to take a look at her first batch of piglets that she had for her project prior to her selling them off to all of her customers this year. But this area, if it wasn't snowing so hard, you would see mountains in the background, and then fields that are all planted up with winter wheats. Up here we grow wheat, garbanzo beans, lentils, and I don't know, some people grow other seed crops. So we are, oh, my phone keeps scooting around. Sorry, it's kind of rough, just kind of propped up there. We are a very rural agricultural area. Up in this area where we're at now, the area gets about 22 inches of precipitation a year. As you might be able to tell, a lot of that comes in the form of snow. The winter wheat fields up here, they want that snowpack to protect the seedlings from the cold winter temperatures. It gets well below zero up here during the winter, but it is an absolutely gorgeous area. So I enjoy it quite a bit. This was almost a little bit of a treat. I grew up in Oregon in the Willamette Valley, and we just don't get a lot of snow. So when I get a chance to go somewhere where it's snowing, I really kind of geek out on it, and I love it. But yeah, this is where I teach. I know you can't see much other than the road right now, but trust me, out on the sides there are hills that are rolling wheat fields. And when I say rolling, I mean they're rolling. If you were in some of the Midwestern places, you'd call them mountains, but here we just call them hills. Most of the students live up on the plateaus that are around the high school. High school is actually down in the bottom of a valley, which actually makes it a little bit difficult with some of our things with the greenhouse. But yeah, the majority of them are up in the up top, and this is all just agriculture area through here. Definitely God's country. Just a very beautiful place. I think I'm going to pull over here in a minute and stop the video, but I figured I'd give you at least a little bit of a taste of what things look like where I teach. Yep, so that is it. I'm going to stop this video because it's only going to get rougher from here on out. All right, thanks for coming on the ride with me.